Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to this cleaning motivation video. Everything that I was doing was just tidying up because I didn't have time. Throughout the whole weekends during the month of March, as you know, I do my videos always during the weekend, to be exact. So that's when I get time to clean my house. So I was just doing the tidying up as and when I can, and I am sharing it with you. So today I'll be cleaning my bedroom. Last week, the previous video, I did my kitchen, just tidying up, and I did it very early in the morning. I woke up at 5 o'clock and do it before I get to bath and prepare to go to work. So let's get down to today's video. I'm starting with my laying down my bed and then dust off the furniture, then sweep the floor and mop. Then we good to go. So enjoy the video. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth, and please consider yourself becoming the member of this family by subscribing down below the red button. It's so free. It doesn't have any monthly subscriptions. Like this video, it helps a lot to reach other people, and comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Whatever you think you can say related to the cleaning motivation, you can always say it in the comment section. So let's enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I love you, and let's clean the bedroom.